दुनिया बनाने वाले, क्या तेरे मन में समाई, काहे को दुनिया बनाई। 1966 में रिलीज़ हुई फिल्म तीसरी कसम का ये गाना आज भी हम सबके रोंगटे खड़े कर देता है। आज 2020 में भी इस गाने के लिरिक्स हमें हमारी इस खूबसूरत दुनिया को गहराई से समझने के लिए मजबूर कर देते हैं। द क्रिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड वॉज बेस्ड ऑन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ इक्वालिटी. Human beings were brought to this world in order to strengthen this principle and cherish the establishment of this world. All of us have different ways of conveying our gratitude towards the Almighty. We have our own ideas of safeguarding this world from the possibility of destruction. But sometimes our ideas and thoughts don't really match with the concept of saving this world. Sometimes our decisions to protect the people end up ruining their lives forever. आज हम एक ऐसी कहानी की बात करेंगे जो हमें इस दुनिया के भविष्य को बचाने के लिए दो अलग अलग ख्यालों से रूबरू कराती है। ये कहानी हमें इस दुनिया के एक ऐसे हिस्से में लेकर जाएगी जहां हर कोई एक नए कल की उम्मीद में जी रहा है। सिर्फ उस नए कल को सच बनाने के लिए जिन तरीकों का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है उन्हें बदलने की ज़रूरत है। डायरेक्टेड बाय गिरीश मलिक, तोरबाज इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ होप. द होप to reunite this world by letting go of all those barriers that restrict us from celebrating the spirit of mankind. This film gravitates our attention towards restoring our faith in the feeling of togetherness. The story of Torbaz is based in Afghanistan, a place whose name has unfortunately become synonymous with the destruction of peace and harmony, a region that has been facing the severe impact of wars leading to its common folk getting scarred for life. Torbaz takes us right in the middle of chaos and implants a seed of hope with the help of its protagonist Nasir Khan, played by Sanjay Dutt. What makes Torbaz a riveting cinematic experience is the treatment of the story, which has been clearly divided into two different aspects. First is the atmosphere of the film. This story is based in Afghanistan, whose picturesque landscape is being forced to progress towards becoming a dilapidated wreckage. Everyone lives in a state of fear, and the possibility of survival is uncertain. DOP Hiru Keswani's camera powerfully portrays the polarizing realities of Afghanistan. On one end, we have the creation of the Almighty, and on the other end, we have the devastation caused by human beings. It feels like the camera becomes a constant reminder about how we can still save this world. The second aspect that perfectly complements the atmosphere is a sense of authenticity that has been exhibited brilliantly while portraying the series of events in this film. What I mean by authenticity is how the audience is transported right in the center of the conflict in Afghanistan. The makers of the film have paid close attention to detail and have adopted the path of realistic storytelling. Elements like the costumes, the dialect, the army officers always keeping a strict vigil, and even the normalized behavior of the people towards bomb blasts, all of this has been perfectly balanced to curate the world of Torbaz. My only qualm with this film is how the final act of the story feels rushed and unpolished. Also, the plot point that initiates a confrontation between the protagonist and the antagonist required a little more amount of clarity for the audience. Otherwise, this film should definitely be added to your watch list. I'm happy to see that our dearly beloved Sanjay Dutt is making a comeback after vanquishing a life-threatening disease. Honestly, I'm very excited for his much-awaited appearance as Adhira in KGF Chapter 2. But for now, Torbaz is certainly a film that should not be missed at any cost. Now it's time for you to share your thoughts about this film, and I will be back soon with another video. My name is Porush. Thank you so much for watching. Long live cinema. You can support this channel by hitting the red subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates.